Welcome to SEO tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you why your pages and website might not be indexing properly. Why the crawling issues, coming up in a website and indexing issues coming up in a website. You can see right now, I have no index 32 site, but only 7 were indexed. Now, happens because you might be writing too much AI content. So how to fix it? So example, I use ChatGPT to write. So example, I use ChatGPT or Claude to write humanized content, but still I put it in a Quillbot because those chatbots are not 100% humanized. So I just put it in go to the quillbot.com and here go to the AI humanizer or AI detector here. And here you upload, you put the paragraphs and it will tell you how much of the AI influence is present in your article. But I cannot manually, do it 100 times or 200 times because I write long article, topic pillar content. So instead, what I want to do is I have subscribed to one of the SEO writing software, which is Arwav AI. By the way, link will be in the description. Make sure you check that out. So this is the closest software which writes me humanized blog article, and this is not only AI SEO writer but also AI SEO agent, which finds it analyzes your website, provides actionable recommendations, and also you can start auto blogging by running a campaigns. Now, within just one click, you don't even have to enter into the WordPress or anything. It's just one click, it's just gonna do it to you. So the reason why I make this video is if you're facing any pages, if you have any pages which face indexing issues, what you want to simply do is take it to the Quillbot, analyze each paragraph and convert it into humanize and make sure there are no unrelevant internal links or external link present in your article, and index it again and make sure you have update the timestamps to the current date and time, and then submit it in a Google Search Console and it will be good to go. With that said, if you have any questions, comment down below. I'm gonna answer them. Catch you on the next one.